this is Krista. Thanks for tuning in. Raphael has an abscess on his front hoof, and since he's not a very willing participant, I have developed a method for soaking a foot where he doesn't have to stand in a pan of water. Now, Raphael doesn't have shoes, so this method will work well, but if your horse is shod or really hard on shower caps or is heavy-footed, he might need a Davis boot. Here is a Davis boot. Normally, I would use this, but Raphael's foot is too big for this boot. So I've developed this shower cap method. Now, for this method, the first thing is to prepare all the materials ahead of time before you get your Impatient horse. The things that we are going to need here: vet wrap. As you can see, I've taken off the plastic so that I have easy access, and I probably will also just do this so I have a tab really easy. Pair of scissors at the shower cap. You can get these at the Dollar Tree for $1. This one I think I got 3 for a pretty low price at Dollar General or a store like that. Epsom salts. Also a turkey baster and a bucket of water. I'm going to pour some Epsom salt into this bucket of water. I would say probably about, I don't know, half a cup maybe. And then I stir it with my turkey baster. With that, let me go get the horse and we'll demonstrate the soaking procedure. Here I am with my horse and we are going to try this out. He has an abscess on his right front and he's hobbling pretty bad right now. We'll go ahead and soak his foot. Here is Raphael's right foot. We are going to put the shower curtain on it now. And this is the one he has the abscess on. This foot, his left foot, I don't know if you had seen my last video on my lameness problems that I'm having with Wiley, but I had mentioned a problem called side bone. Raphael has very bad side bone, and this part of his hoof by the cornet always has this big lump on it. It's got a scar on it actually, and he has side bone under that, which sometimes can be a problem. But today, it's not his left foot that is a problem, it is his right foot. And as also you can see, he is fairly underrun with his heels. This is a problem that many thoroughbreds have, and he is a thoroughbred. His feet are very short. He keeps them very short, but he does have a problem with the heels being fairly low. First, I'm going to pick out his foot. And here is my shower cap. So this shower cap is going to go on Raphael's foot. So here's Raphael's foot in the shower cap. And what I usually do is I'm going to wrap it here with a little vet wrap. I usually start just like I would wrap a leg. So again, I just would put the wrap on the outside and wrap in. I usually hold it so that the roll is on the outside, so it's easy to pull the vet trap out. So I'm going to do that with his foot here. And we're just going to wrap. Oops. This always happens when I start the wrap. I'm just going to wrap around the shower cap, the end of the shower cap. It's a little bigger than his foot, so I'm going to wrap this around the vet wrap. As you can see, I'm crouching here, so if he does anything crazy, I can get away quickly. And I left my scissors over there. So I'm gonna go get my scissors. It's always nice if you have your scissors handy. I'm gonna cut it right there. Okay, so I have my turkey baster and Epsom salt water here. Oops. Out. And I'm gonna just open this up and squish the water right in there. Put that wrap on it. Enough. And again, I just keep doing that. Oh, so watch out for him because he's moving his butt over on the side. He's not supposed to do that, but he does it anyway. That wrap come off. Anyway, we're going to keep doing this. Hold still. Just relax, buddy. That wrap is not there. Do that the first time. I think this vet wrap was a little old, which is why it fell off. So what I will do, okay, I was working with a vet wrap and it fell off. It's a little old, so it wasn't sticking very well, especially with the water in it. So what I did is I made a little workaround here. I tied the vet wrap around his fetlock. It's really stretchy, so it's not going to hurt him right now. I just have to keep the damn boot on. I actually tied the excess of the shower cap up, and now I'm going to just keep pouring my water in. And I want to keep this boot on. It has to stay on, and it's going to get a little heavy with this water in it. So it needs to stay on. So you need to make sure that whatever thing that you're using to keep the shower curtain on is fairly tight, so when it gets heavy with water, it's not going to slide off. I mean, he can pick his foot up here and the boot is not going to come off unless it's not attached very well at the top. It actually is kind of nice to have a little bit of stretch in here in the shower cap, because that way you have an area where you can put the water in. So, can you still see me? So that's it for the booty shower curtain. I mean, the booty shower cap. Here's an example of what the foot will look like when the vet wrap is properly adhering to itself. The boot will still get heavy with water in it, so it will still sag a bit, but properly adhered vet wrap will do a much better job at keeping the boot on. I just came across this website here by Genesee Valley Equine Clinic, and it has pretty good instructions on how to soak and wrap a hoof, and I will put the URL for this website in the show notes below so you can reference it. It seems to be a pretty good site. They also have instructions on how to medicate a horse's eye, and give oral medications to your horse, check vital signs, soak and rack the hoof, that's what we're doing now, and give intramuscular injections, and they have kind of a step-by-step illustration here. One thing I noticed, they have the pan. So they said soak in a pan, and if your horse does not stand in a pan, you can use a soaking boot, which is different than the shower cap that I used. I don't know what they charge for those soaking boots. I think I've got one on Amazon for maybe 20 bucks or so, which is still cheaper than the Davis boot. However, it's not as cheap as a shower cap that you get from the Dollar Tree. I did notice when I was soaking Raphael's foot that the shower cap did get a hole in it. So they're not super durable. You probably will only be able to use it for one soaking. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, that's fine. Just give me some comments below on what I can do better. And if you think you would like to see more videos like this in the future, or you want to see part 2, which I will be posting a part 2 on wrapping Raphael's foot with duct tape, just go ahead and subscribe. And then if you'd like to be notified every time I post a video, please press the bell. As always, think outside the dressage court, stay inspired, and bye for now.